Welcome back to Car Look. If you're into high-end motorhomes or just love the idea of luxury travel, today's video is for you. Imagine taking the Cadillac brand we know for style, elegance, and power and applying it to a motorhome. Yes, Cadillac is back with something truly unique for 2025, a high-end motorhome that brings luxury and functionality together in ways we've never seen before. Today we'll be diving deep into everything that makes the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome a game-changer for travel enthusiasts. From its powerful engine to the luxury features that make it feel like a mobile penthouse, there's a lot to cover. So, whether you're a Cadillac fan or just dreaming of your next big adventure, stick around. Let's start with the exterior because Cadillac has truly outdone themselves with the design. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome combines the signature elegance of Cadillac with a modern, sleek motorhome design. Picture a bold, smooth front end with Cadillac's iconic grille and logo prominently displayed, giving it a distinct look on the road. This motorhome isn't just for travel, it's built to make a statement wherever it goes. With full LED lighting all around and Cadillac's latest adaptive lighting technology, this vehicle is built to handle any kind of road trip, day or night. And with the aerodynamic shape, Cadillac has prioritized fuel efficiency, which isn't always common in motorhomes. So, you're not just traveling in style, but you're also getting an edge in fuel savings. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome comes with a powerful hybrid engine, combining a V8 petrol engine with Cadillac's advanced electric drive system. This setup offers a surprising balance of power and fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Cadillac wanted to make sure that this motorhome not only looked luxurious but also handled beautifully on highways and even mountainous terrains. With an estimated 450 horsepower and over 500 lb-ft of torque, this motorhome can handle uphill climbs and long stretches with ease. Plus, Cadillac has incorporated an advanced air suspension system, giving passengers a smooth ride even on rougher roads. This means you're not just driving a Cadillac, you're gliding down the highway with all the control and comfort you could need. Alright, here's where interior things get really exciting: the interior. Cadillac has pulled out all the stops here, combining luxury, tech, and comfort in a way that redefines what it means to travel on the road. The interior is fully customizable, allowing buyers to pick materials and finishes that suit their style. Imagine a blend of high-end leather, wood trim, and ambient lighting that gives the motorhome a warm, inviting feel. The cabin layout is spacious, with a full living area, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom that rivals luxury hotel rooms. The living space has plush, reclining seats and a state-of-the-art entertainment system, complete with a large OLED TV and surround sound speakers. Cadillac didn't just want to make this motorhome comfortable, they wanted to make it an experience. The kitchen area has all the essentials, including a premium refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even a built-in coffee maker. And for those long road trips, the bathroom features a rainfall shower and heated floors, giving you that home-away-from-home feel. Cadillac's motorhome is packed with smart features to make your travel easier and more enjoyable. It's fully integrated with Cadillac's voice-activated assistant, allowing you to control the lighting, temperature, and entertainment system with just your voice. Plus, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome has an advanced GPS and route planning system that considers the size of the vehicle, helping you navigate easily even through challenging routes. And with the latest connectivity features, including 5G Wi-Fi, you can stay connected no matter where you are. Cadillac knows that today's travelers want to bring work and entertainment on the road, so they've ensured that you're always in touch, no matter where you roam. Safety is a huge factor for Cadillac, especially in a vehicle of this size. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome includes the latest in driver assistance technology. You get features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even an emergency braking system. There are cameras all around, giving you a 360-degree view, which makes parking this large vehicle surprisingly easy. With these features, Cadillac has made sure you feel as confident behind the wheel of the motorhome as you would in one of their luxury SUVs. And that's a big deal because it means the joy of travel doesn't come at the expense of safety. So who exactly is this luxury motorhome aimed at? Cadillac's 2025 Motorhome isn't just for people who want to go on road trips, it's for those who want to do it in absolute comfort and style. Whether you're a retiree looking to explore or a family seeking the ultimate vacation experience, this motorhome brings everything you need. Cadillac has combined high-end luxury with practical features, making this an option for anyone looking to enjoy the open road without sacrificing the comforts of home. And there you have it, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome, a luxury vehicle that's more than just a way to travel, it's a lifestyle upgrade on wheels. Cadillac has clearly invested in making this motorhome a standout in design, performance, comfort, and safety. For those who want to experience the best of luxury travel, this motorhome might just be the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming content here on Car Look. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos on luxury motorhomes or other unique vehicles. Until next time, safe travels, and see you on the road.